Good afternoon. I want to thank everybody for joining us this evening as we discussed our new Buy Now Pay Later program, which we're going to call SpendFlex. Today, we're going to go over the agenda for the meeting today, which is introducing our Buy Now Pay Later program, which we're actually going to call SpendFlex. Then we're going to show you how you could add SpendFlex to your online or mobile dashboard, how to use SpendFlex, and at the end, we'll have time for question and answers. First, I want to introduce our guests today. First, we'll have Carlton Brooks, is our Director of Lending at Fed Financial. And we also have our special guest, Jazzy Zhu from Equipify. Now, Equipify is our fintech partner who work with us to allow us to offer our FinFlex program to our membership. And we're grateful for that partnership, and we're glad to have her here today. Now, I'm pretty sure you've heard of some other third-party solutions for Buy Now, Pay Later, like Klarna, Affirm, and PayPal, but Fed Financial actually is the first credit union in the Maryland and DC area to offer a SpendFlex or Buy Now Pay Later program attached to their debit card. And in fact, that makes you the first federal employees to be able to utilize our SpendFlex or our Buy Now Pay Later program on a debit card.
That's right, JJ. This is such an exciting time for Fed Financial right now to offer a buy now, pay later solution called SpendFlex to our members. And that's the reason we're bringing this to our members. We want to make sure our members could get a buy now, pay later solution from us, a credit union you already have a trusted relationship with. SpendFlex is a solution that aligns with your financial wellness. SpendFlex has no credit check, no application to complete. Just simply use your debit card for a purchase and then log into your Fed Financial online banking account to see SpendFlex offers. What this means to you as our members, SpendFlex is not only for shopping, it's for those family vacations, the unexpected car repairs, the unexpected veterinary expenses, etc. We want to make sure that your debit card it works with more flexibility and less stress. Again, this is a post-debit card transaction that allows you to take a purchase you've made with your debit card and flexing those purchases into installments that fit your budget. For example, say you have an unexpected auto repair. Use your debit card to pay for those expenses, and you'll receive a SpendFlex offer to get that purchase amount credited back to your account and then flex that transaction into installment payments of 3, 6, or 9 months. Our guest, Jazzy, will go over more details of how SpendFlex works in your Fed Financial online digital banking. But before I turn it over to Jazzy, I'd like to take a moment to thank our member testers who were the first members at Fed Financial to experience SpendFlex. Thank you for participating and providing feedback to help ensure this solution is easy to use and work with all of our members. Now, Jazzy?
All right. Thank you so much, Carlton. It has been an absolute pleasure for us at Equipify to be working with Fed Financial to bring SpendFlex to you. And it's an honor for me to be here today to speak with all of y'all here, both digitally, I guess, both virtually right now, and also for those of you who are watching back. So hello to you as well. And the cool thing is SpendFlex is available now, as in if you pull it up on your mobile on your online banking, it should already be there. However, sometimes, if you haven't added something to your dashboard, it might be hard to see. And so that's why before we go into the details of how to look at and accept offers, what we're actually going to do is go through real quick of how to add this onto your dashboard so you can even see your offers. So if you want to join me, I will go slowly, but otherwise, feel free to watch back and do this on your own. The first thing you're going to have to do is just log on to your Fed Financial account. This is an example, so yours probably may not look like this, but this is the dashboard. And if you scroll down on the dashboard, it will take you to the bottom where you'll have the option of clicking Organize Dashboard. And this gives you the ability to customize the look and feel. And so this will also allow us to bring SpendFlex onto your dashboard. Once you click that, it will take you here. And the thing that you're going to want to click is the word Add a Card. Now, this is not a debit card or anything. This is add a card is just, the term for bringing a component onto your dashboard. So just click that. and it's going to take you to the next screen, which allows you to click SpendFlex and bring that up to your dashboard. So what you're going to use, you're going to click SpendFlex. And you may need to still do some arranging of your dashboard so that it's showing up in the right place where you want to prefer to see it every time you log in. But here we have it on the right-hand side, and you should then be able to see SpendFlex already on your dashboard. For those of you who already have qualified BNPL offers, you should already be able to see them now. This is just an example. So let's say I'm Jim. Why can't I be Jim? Let's say I'm Jim, and I log on to my FedFinancial dashboard, and I see that, these are 3 transactions that I have made in the last couple months, and I spent a night at Holiday Inn. I took a trip to somewhere, from Alaska Airlines, and I obviously made my purchases at Lululemon. So let's say that I wanted to go at Holiday Inn, and right now this is for a transaction amount of $125. I have been using my same debit card that I always have, and I just log onto my online banking, and I select this transaction. And what this does is it allows me to see the 3 ways in which I can, the 3 terms that I can select in order to take on this BNPL offer. Now, because this is already connected to your checking account, because this is a FedFinancial product, there's no application necessary. If you're seeing this offer, you're already pre-approved. And so I can just go through here, and this is a 30-second experience. I'm really slowing this down so we can get the full experience of SpendFlex. And I can see, okay, so there's a 3-month option and a 6-month option. And if you scroll down, there's also a 9-month option. But I want to do 3 months. I think 3 months makes the most sense for me. So I select that. And then it'll take you to a screen in which you can decide if you want to auto pay or manual pay. Since this is already connected with your checking account, if you select auto pay, which is the default, it'll just come out of your checking account on its own. If it's manual pay, you may want to set an alarm for yourself. I am not very good at manual paying, so I'm going to keep it on auto pay. And then it just takes me to a screen that says, does this look about right? Right? It tells me, what did I select in terms of terms, and the plan amount, the first payment date. And if it looks about right, that's it. I accept it. And you see the congratulations screen, and your purchase amount will be deposited back into your checking account very shortly. And it'll also tell you when your first payment date is going to be. And it's just that fast. If you already have the dashboard set up and you can see your offers, you can start playing around and accepting offers now. And you can also check back to make sure that you have new ones that you can leverage over time. But this is very exciting, and and it's designed to be extremely intuitive, which means I have no doubt that will be something that you'll be able to figure out pretty quickly. But the nice thing here is we're all here to be able to answer some of the questions that you may have as you're navigating this, whether it's a matter of how do I put this on the dashboard, or any additional questions about just, working with SpendFlex. So any questions here?
Awesome. Thanks, Jazzy. I tell you, even though you slowed it down, that was really still fast. And it's such a fast and easy experience we hope all our members enjoy and participate in. But we did collect some questions early on. And so I'm going to go through those 5 questions first, and then we'll go to the chat room. So anyone joining us, if you have any questions, please put in the chat room, and we will entertain those questions before we close out. So the first question we have, where can I find more information on SpendFlex? You can visit our website, fedfinancial.org, or contact our branch at 301-881-5626, and we'll share that information in the chat as well. Question 2 I have is, how long does it take before I get the money back into my account? Typically within moments. The funds are credited to your account. However, it could take up to 24 hours. Question 3, what does it mean if I can't see any offers right now? Well, it means either you have not yet added the SpendFlex card or tile to your online banking, or the purchase you've made doesn't qualify for an offer on the SpendFlex program. Question 4. Is there any way for me to know before I buy if the purchase will qualify? Currently, we will not be able to tell you if the purchase you make will pre-qualify for an offer. Question 5. How soon do I have to pay it back? Really, you decide. That's the flexibility of SpendFlex. You could choose to repay us in 3, 6, or 9 months. Your first payment will be due 30 days after you select your offer. Now, Jazzy or JJ, if you guys could check the chat room for me and see if we have any additional questions that we can field today. Let's see.
Looks like we have something.
Yeah. So we do have a question. What if I select a 3-month offer, but then I decide I want a 6-month offer? Can I change it? Unfortunately, at this moment, you will not be able to make that change. Once you've made that decision for a 3, 6, or 9-month offer on the original offer, you will not be able to go back to that same transaction and change the term. I don't know if Jazzy or JJ want to offer anything to that.
Nope, that was perfect.
Yeah, you got it.
Awesome. Awesome. That is all the questions I see. Uh-oh, looks like we may have had another one pop in there. I think that might be for you, Jazzy.
Let's see.
Maybe not.
Was Jazzy ever on a television network? You know what? I am not, but I'm open to being on one. So thank you.
Well, you did an awesome job today. We're very happy to have you as our special guest. It's been a pleasure partnering with you.
Absolutely. It is wonderful to be on with everyone. So anytime.
Awesome. And we do have another question in our chat room. I would like to clarify, do I need to make the purchase first and then the money is redeposited back into my account? Yes, that's a great question. These are post-debit card transactions, meaning you've already made the purchase and we're giving you the opportunity to take that same transaction amount and split it up again over 3, 6, or 9 months in installment payments. Those funds will be, again, credited back to your account in moments, at worst case, maybe within 24 hours. Good question. Let me check again, see if I've gotten any other questions in our chat room. While I check, I want to thank all our attendees today. And I don't see any other questions. So JJ, I'll turn it over to you to close us out.
Thank you, Carlton. First, we want to thank Jazzy for giving us that introduction and steps how to do that. But as always, definitely reach out to us. You can call us at 301-881-5626, or you can reach us through the Banno Message app, and someone will get back to you. And we'll also have our website that gives you more information on SpendFlex. And we definitely want to thank Carlton Brooks, who is our Director of Lending. And for everyone else who's attended today, we thank you for taking the time to look at our new product. And we hope this product helps you in your future financial decisions. And once again, thank you for coming.
Thank you.